Welcome to my channel. Stop slow internet. Wi-Fi wisdom tips that work. Step 1. Restart your router. Yeah, seriously. This is one of the most obvious one. Unplug the router. Wait for a few seconds and then plug it back in. That clears out junk processes and resets your IP if it's stuck. This works more often than you'd think. Step 2. Ditch the corners. Stop hiding your router in a corner, under a desk, or behind the TV. It's a radio signal, walls and metal eat it alive. Keep it high, keep it visible, center of the house if possible. Step 3. Update the firmware. Nobody ever checks router updates. But they matter. Open your router's app or web interface, look for firmware update, and just do it. They come with bug fixes, better speed handling and free performance boost. Step 4. Change the channel. No, literally. Your Wi-Fi channel might be jammed with neighbor signals. Jump into your router settings and switch to a less crowded one. Use apps like Wi-Fi Analyzer if you're on Android to see what's congested. Step 5. Use 5 GHz or 6 GHz if you've got it. Most folks stay stuck on 2.4 GHz, which is slower, crowded and is old tech. If your router supports 5 GHz or even 6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6E, switch your devices over. They have shorter range but way faster. Step 6. Reboot that old device. Sometimes it's not the Wi-Fi. It's your phone or laptop being dumb. Restart it. Clear the cache. Network settings can get messy over time. A simple reboot fixes a ton. Step 7. Kill background apps. You'd be shocked how many apps eat bandwidth behind the scenes. Cloud sync, updates, backups, random downloads. Shut them off, especially on phones or laptops you're using them on. Step 8. Ethernet wins every time. If you've got a desktop or gaming console, skip Wi-Fi. Run an Ethernet cable straight to the router. It's stable, faster, and doesn't care how many walls you've got in between. Wi-Fi's good, but wired connections are way better. Step 9. Split heavy devices. If your router allows it, separate your smart home gadgets from your main devices. All those bulbs and plugs can drag down your main Wi-Fi band. Create a guest or IoT network just for them. Step 10. Reset as a last resort. If nothing helps, back up your settings and do a full factory reset. Fresh start. Reconnect everything manually. Sometimes, years of tweaks and firmware changes make things glitchy. Clean slate fixes that. Thanks for watching.